everyone. So today we are going to pamper our eyebrows. As you know, the coronavirus is going on and we are stuck at home doing things ourselves. So right now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows, and I found my smallest fabric scissors, and I'm going to just comb my eyebrows up and down and get all of the longer hairs and get those cut because it really helps with the shape. So we're going to get all these hairs and clean this up. We're going to pull out our tweezers and we're going to start tweezing the under area of your eyebrows. Take your time and get as many hairs as you can out. It helps to process before we start shaving the eyebrows. It allows us to really get our hairs pulled out naturally for long-lasting brows. So I'm just going to continue to tweeze this area. I'm going to try hard not to lift up my eyebrows or my face, or lifting up parts of my face, because we don't want wrinkles, but I'm going to do my best. Make sure you get all the way in. And if your eyebrows are not shaped, be very careful. Luckily, my eyebrows are shaped, so I can just kind of go over that shape. So after we get our bottom, now our top is a little bit more difficult. I'm just going to pull all the hairs that I see that are not close to my line. We are going to use the shaver to help us arch and shave our eyebrows, but I'm going to get these little extra hairs that are around the edges of them so I don't have to do too much shaving. And we're going to go back to brushing our eyebrows. It's starting to come out nice. All right, we're going to take this shaver and we're going to go down. A trick that I do is I go down and I move a little bit to the side to make sure I'm cutting those hairs and helping my shape. So, and I draw in the corner of my eyebrow, so I know it's not going to look perfect, but I'm going to get it as perfect as possible. I'm going to get the edges squared out and the hair in between nicely shaved. So I'm going to go right under that beginning eyebrow. Just really take your time. Don't rush it because you don't want to mess up your brows. So we're going to go over to this corner and get those little thin hairs I couldn't pull with my tweezers. Get that really going. Help with your shape as well. It looks like I'm using the whole razor on my face, but I'm not. I'm really just using like the first 5 blades to do this. There's that one hair that's a little bit too long, so I'm just going to cut that out. I know these are fabric scissors, guys. I did not expect to do my own eyebrows, so work with me. It's the smallest scissors I can find. My lashes need done, but it's okay. Rather stay healthy and virus free. All right, I'm gonna go do this other eyebrow real quick. All right, I'm all done. I'm a little red. My face is super sensitive. Let me brush my lashes really quickly. As soon as I can get my lashes done, I'm gonna get these done. All right, let's start filling in these eyebrows. I started doing it, but the camera didn't film it from that angle. So let me just fill you in real quick. I use Anastasia products, and I also use the Anastasia brow pencil. And what I do is I just follow my hairline. Instead of making sharp edges, I just turn the brush and just follow my hair up or to the side or whatever which way it's going to give it nice and full and that natural look. Now we're going to go under and we're going to clean it up really nice. And what I do is after I make my line right under, I like to pull it down because I like to blend it into my eyeshadow. But we're going to do a simple makeup today. We're staying inside, so I don't want to use up my makeup, but I definitely want to doll up for you guys today, just a little bit. So usually when I'm doing glam, I'll do a lot of this, but since we're staying home, I'm just doing a little bit, just cleaning it up, help my shape. Then I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and blend it. I'm going to go in circles. I'm also going to push it down and make sure it's blendable with my eyeshadow. I'm going to do the same at the top. I'm going to blend it up and outwards because it's going to be mixed in the foundation. Make sure you're brushing upwards and sideways so that it mixes well onto your skin. And these are my eyebrows. Comment below, let me know if you have any questions. I will walk you through it the best I can, but these are some everyday simple eyebrows. I did get Modern Girl Trend Edge Control. It's made with coconut milk. I got that in today. So makeup on, not too much. As you guys know, it's coronavirus going around. We're all in the house. It's day 4. So decided to do a little something. Just a little something. Nothing crazy. This is my Let's get started. I'm just going to fast forward it. I'm going to put this information below. That's my foundation secret. So I mix those 2 powders and then I put it on my face just to help close my pores and mattify my foundation. I'm going to use my big foundation brush just to spread out some foundation. I'm not doing glam. We're just staying in today, so this helps me spread it out and keep it simple. We're going to use the KKW contour and just do a light contour. Let's get these edges done and finish my ponytail. Let's get into this coconut milk edge control by Modern Girl Trend. All the information and ingredients are attached. I'm going to do light baby hairs today. This stuff is really good. I'm actually going to spread it on my hands and use it like a gel because it really gets my hairs down, and a little goes a long way. Let me show you guys the back really quick. So I'm just gonna get a piece of hair down, just put a little bit of the control on the hair, use the brush that they sent me and brush it up, and as you can tell, it just glues into the ponytail. I'm gonna pin that. Let me flip my hair over so you guys can see better. I'm gonna put a little edge control on my edges, as you see, all the way around, a little bit up towards the middle of my hair, because this is really good. I can use it as a gel, and then as you can see, I have to follow it with my hands because this stuff is so matte. I don't want to mess up my ponytail. I'm going to use the other end of the brush and just comb out the top of the hairs that are loose. I'm going to pin that up later. I don't have any bobby pins with me, but look at that. This is a great edge control. I recommend you guys to go purchase it. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope my eyebrow tutorial was useful, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe. All subscriptions count, and I appreciate every single one of you.